Here we have the Kobalt 80 volt cordless lawnmower. It's the newest one. It's supposed to be nice and powerful. I did look into two others. They all seem to be relatively the same. At the time that I made my purchase, there were only three 80 volt battery driven lawnmowers available. The Snapper XD, the Greenworks Pro, and the 80V Max Kobalt. So why did I choose Kobalt? All three cost the same at the time. You look on Amazon and find two of the three. The Kobalt is available only at Lowe's and only in stores. This is actually one of the reasons I purchased the Kobalt over the Greenworks Pro or the Snapper XD. I was able to get it right away and it was on sale. All three at the time of my purchase were priced the same. They all came with two 2 amp hour 80 volt batteries and a charger. They also had the same accessory packages available. Perhaps I'll get around to acquiring some of those and doing some reviews, but for now, let's continue with the review of the Kobalt 80 volt Max. Let's start with the unboxing, and then I will put this thing to the test. Open it up, this is what it looks like with the bag on top. Okay. These white boxes, here's the batteries. So here's the second battery. It comes with two of these 2-hour batteries, and there's the charger. Okay. So nothing too surprising here as far as unboxing is concerned. And there it is. Here's a quick and easy tip. To get your lawnmower out of the box without having to lift it, simply cut one end of the box and roll the lawnmower out. As you can see, the handle comes strapped with a couple of zip ties. It's like is two of these. This is actually kind of nice because on my previous lawnmower, this is a nice little piece of engineering. This goes on, and then there's a space where there are no threads. So if the vibration of the lawnmower causes this to unwind, it will pop into this spot where it has no threads and it won't fall off. If you've ever had one that was threaded all the way down, you know that it will eventually vibrate right off of there, fall off, and inevitably you'll run it over with a lawnmower and bust it to a million pieces. But you do have to push this in pretty tight, as tight as you can with your hand, in order to get those threads to catch. And then tighten it down and tight there. Today, I'm going to be cutting some pretty tall grass, so I'm not going to be using this. I will be using this. That's all there is to it. Alright, thank you for watching part 1 of the review of the Kobalt 80 volt battery operated lawnmower. In part 2, we will be talking about the battery. and just a little about battery safety, battery care, and how to make these things last as long as you can. Since these do operate it, it's important. Okay, so see you next time on part 2.